Now that we are talking geometric, learners need to know that we still apply what we're doing here with our ratio. The way we are finding a ratio, we still apply the same thing. So basically, we agree that term number 2 over term number 1 should be equal to when you say term number 3 over term number 2. It's a creation of formula. This helps us to create an equation because we cannot determine the value of x if we don't have equation. So this is a way of us creating an equation by following a method used for determining the ratio, just like we did with the previous one of arithmetic, where t2 minus t1 is equivalent to t3 minus t2. So we do the same, but we don't subtract. Actually, they divide because it's been influenced by the formula of determining the r. And then obviously, after writing this mathematically, you have to substitute. What is T2? T2 is 2x plus 2.